I've traveled 1500 kilometers to find out Amazon के fresh fruits and vegetables आते कहाँ से हैं। I'm here at Narayangaon Farms with Amazon to find out exactly how much goes into picking the right fruits that finally reach my kitchen. So इस सीजन में फार्म पर मलबरीज ग्रो हो रही हैं, बहुत सारे मैंगोज लगे हुए हैं and I'm very excited to see the journey of these fruits from the very beginning and who better to find out from than the farmer himself. This is Mahesh Shinde who has been farming on this land since childhood. तो जब घर पे फ्रूट आता है तो हम ख़त्म तो 2 मिनट में कर लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअली फ्रूट रेडी होने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
सर जी थैंक्स फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ये हमारा बेबी है, जो फ्रूट्स आप बोलते हो वो हमारा बेबी है। वो बेबी इधर तक लाने के लिए वो ग्रोइंग से लेके हार्वेस्टिंग तक लगभग 6 से 7 महीना फ्रूट्स हार्वेस्टिंग तक आने के लिए जाता है, लेकिन वो प्लॉट बनने के लिए अपन को 3 से 4 साल जाता है।
और अमेज़ॉन की तरफ से आपका क्या सपोर्ट रहता है उनका एंड कैसे कोई हेल्प मिलती है आपको वहाँ से?
दे आर हेल्पिंग फ्रॉम पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट टू डिलीवर टू कंज्यूमर। जो हार्वेस्टिंग के टाइम पे फ्रूट आएगा,
हाँ जी,
उसका क्वालिटी उनके पास से चेक हो जाता है।
ओके,
उनका स्टैंडर्ड्स रहता है, वो स्टैंडर्ड्स में अपना फ्रूट लाए हो रहा है ना हो रहा है वो देख के वो अपन को बता देते हैं कि ये स्टैंडर्ड का, ये साइज का,
हाँ जी,
ये गुडनेस का फ्रूट्स हमको चाहिए, एंड देन वी आर सप्लाइंग लाइक दैट।
Nice. We spoke to Shrikant Shriram, director at Amazon Fresh in India, to understand why farmers are such an important part of the entire ecosystem.
When it comes to selecting farms and farmers, the most critical thing for us at Amazon is to make sure that the quality expectations that consumers have of the produce, whether it's fruits or vegetables that they get, meets the bar. We don't typically think of farmers as vendors, but we think of them as partners.
What I found interesting was how the fruits are harvested and carefully loaded in crates straight from the farms that are a part of Amazon's network. All right, so हमारा next stop है collection center, जो कि farm से बस थोड़ा ही दूर है. This is where agricultural experts grade and sort the produce based on the color, size and firmness. Farmers get standardized crates to reduce damage and payments are made within just 4 hours of delivery. And honestly, standing here and watching it all, you realize you never really think about what happens before your fruits reach your kitchen. But it explains how fruits like mulberries and mangoes reach customers so quickly while still feeling genuinely fresh. So I am now at the LPC. This is their local processing center. Karan Chok, Director of Operations at Amazon India, showed us what really goes inside the LPC.
From the collection center is where we get all of the various produce in this facility. Now this facility is climate controlled. It's got multiple temperature settings for different kinds of produce. We have ambient where we are standing right now. We will have tropical where we'll have some green leafies and fruits in there. We also have chilled and frozen for other produce and perishables that deserve to go in there. Now where this facility comes in is it really adds the speed and convenience for our customers by pre-packaging items that the micro FCs can then quickly pick and get to your doorstep within minutes.
मैं आ गया हूँ Amazon के माइक्रो फुलफिलमेंट सेंटर पे to show you कि ये सारा प्रोड्यूस आपके घर तक कैसे पहुँचता है. Just see how hygienic and well maintained it is. If this is what it looks like, you can be sure of the quality of products that are reaching you ultra fast within minutes. And since these micro fulfillment centers are set up really close to neighborhoods, usually within 2 to 3 kilometers, everything gets delivered much faster. Now that I have my hands on the best produce from Amazon now, let's make summer popsicles. This genuinely tastes so good and so fresh. Definitely try these popsicles and I'll see you in the next one.